SPWR stock analysis and SPWR stock prediction. So in this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in this space with 40,000 videos, so I have proof of everything. I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Complete Solaria, it's very decent, man. Like 10% up, it's good Friday's performance, let's be honest. But let's zoom out and look at the broader picture. Let's go weekly. I've had some previous hopes to take it up if there was a double break. I abandoned those because there's like a big gap now. Unironically, it's not like the long side is dead, but the sell side makes a lot more sense. And I'm trying to be kind here, you know. I'm not trying to be nice. They're just trying to fake hype this thing. The likelihood that it just keeps melting down is high, but I'm not saying that it cannot just pump up, fill in the gap, and then do its thing. But here, if there's a double break, sell side would make a lot more sense to me. It's only for now and not forever, you know. It's not like it's going to be forever like this. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading with indicators, click the first link in the description, get my free emails.